Sunday. We're gonna do half Sunday reset, half Sunday productive today. It's not even 9 a.m. yet. I got up early again, got ready for the day. Now I'm gonna go with Jake to get some stuff for his shoe, probably grab a coffee, come home. I just threw laundry in. I just wiped down the kitchen, living room. I'm gonna wash some of the blankets and stuff and just like get organized for the day. Oh, I also started editing last night, as you guys would have seen. That was in my vlog before this vlog. And I'm so excited to edit today, so I'm gonna do that. That's the update. It's freezing outside. I can't even stand out here. Greenhouse makes me so happy. We're about to leave, so I just heated up Jake's car. I'm obsessed that I could put the temp high and the seat warmers on. I just threw this sweater over top because it's freezing. So I thought it was cute. I was gonna do a leather jacket and I'm like, Kayla, we're maturing. Let's do a sweater. And this is one I just got yesterday from Brandy Mellow. So Brandy sweater, Skims top, splits 59, Nike sneakers. What? Yeah, by accident, but I put the heat on. I hit the frunk by accident. Hug me, brother! Hug me, brother! Woo!
Let's do it, dude.
Let's do it, dude.
I'm tired.
Okay. Well, why don't we get you
You're
some Starbucks? Why don't we get you some Starbucks? Jake's got a shoot. Back to the shoot life. It's January. Had a couple months off. Say happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday.
Happy work day.
What is this car just doing?
Woo! Happy work day. Woo! See ya. See ya. Wouldn't wanna?
Yeah.
30 minutes till breakfast, 20 and I'm peeking. Didn't see a message, I was busy tweaking. Shit is getting old.
So it's a little bright. We're going to Great White for Jake. He's got a breakfast burrito. And then we're going to Community Goods for me, which takes about 30 minutes for the coffee to be ready, which is absolutely nauseating, but the coffee's so good. We're gonna drive by to see the line because I'm sure the line is gonna be down the road. And that's the update. Then Jake's friend Larry's coming over for dinner, so I'm gonna do vodka pasta.
I wondering what kind of pasta. I didn't know if you were going to do pancetta, but I didn't see you buy any.
No, I think I have one in the freezer, but I want to do vodka, but I kind of want to get nice like noodles, so I might go to the store because I'll probably do like a side salad and then fresh bread if they have it.
You didn't find any nice white serving bowls when you were at the stores yesterday?
No, none that piqued my interest. I could look because I'm probably gonna try and go back today to do the home goods return.
That'd be nice, girlfriend.
Jake just got his burrito and he goes, "You're really not gonna have a bite?" And I said, "No." And then what did you say?
I said, I know you better than I know you know yourself.
You said, "I really highly doubt that." But I said, "Do you want me to take it out so you can eat it in the car? Or do you want to wait till we get home?"
Sure, but we're gonna be at this place in a second. So
7 minutes, so I'll open it for you. Here's Jake's burrito. They didn't cut it in half. It's from Great White. Before we had Wake and Late, I think Great White was Jake's favorite burrito. I personally really like the Dialogue burrito, but Wake and Late is the best burrito. Also, Jake gets no like greens in it. He takes the greens out and doesn't get any of the sauces, so that's depressing. Okay, let's go to Community Goods. We already saw the line's absolutely ridiculous, but because I ordered it online, I could just go right in and grab it. Got the goods. Community Goods. Honestly, not even, I think it's gonna be really good, but the line in there is insanity. I wish I had a straw. Honestly, just as good, if not worse, than Coffee Fix. I'm loyal there. But while we were in West Hollywood.
give me a review of the burrito.
What do you think?
It's pretty good. I mean, you're not gonna love it because it doesn't have greens, but I think it's good. You don't like it?
It's good, but the bacon's kind of hard.
I like it like that. It's nice. Kind of reminds me of like beef jerky.
It does.
It's good.
I need a straw. Yeah, this is everything. I just went through it to make sure that he got everything. And now I'm gonna restock the fridge and just add some of this stuff into here so we know it's full. Mom, did I show you these muffins we got the other day? These vegan... Yeah, but I got them again and I got blueberry. I'm gonna try the blueberry ones because I'm starving. I'm showing the vlog. They remind me of when you used to get these for us. Pretty good. No, I'm starving. I've only had half a bite of Jake's burrito today. Delicious. Oh, I gotta show you my new setup. I got another thing of olive oil. I put it over here. And that's the same. And then I put the honey over here. I just didn't know where else to put it. Right behind me on the stove. And I like black there because it just, the stove is black. Coming over at 5. What do you say? Yeah. Red face. Miss you guys. Aww. I could just edit and lettuce. I'm just gonna make a little side salad for anyone who wants it. Meaning his guests, not the boys. So I'm not gonna do too much. No, I just got this yesterday at Whole Foods, but I'm gonna get arugula. Oh, I got a big one. Look how big it is. It's like a double, triple the size of the one I normally get. So we'll do lemon juice. I'm gonna dress it after, but do a little salt. Just shaved Parmesan. I'm gonna put in a little container. Just a little one, you know, one of our sauce things. Exactly. I just hung out with my mom. I was on the phone with her for a bit. This has been the setup the last like 3 hours I've been editing. As you saw, I just prepped some stuff for dinner. We are gonna run to the store quick. I wanna just get fresh bread and fresh pasta for dinner tonight, and then maybe run to Home Goods quick to do that return, and then Jake has like 8 things he needs to do before a shoot. So we're gonna do that now quick, and I'll come back, edit, cook, chill, enjoy the night. It hasn't even been a weekend, I swear. It's just been a work day because I've just been going, but it's awesome. So see you guys probably when we're at Home Goods or Amazon Fresh. I took the wide angle off for a little to see what I think.
Well, it keeps me out of the frame.
Tell everyone where we're going.
We're going to Home Goods.
And then where?
And then to Ralph's.
For what?
For dinner, because we got Larry coming.
I'm trying to debate because we're going to Home Goods, and the closest thing to Home Goods is maybe we can go to Trader Joe's. I don't know. All the parking lots, like anywhere we go right now is just gonna be annoying. I want to go to Amazon Fresh, but that's the other direction. Ralph's I haven't been to in a minute, and it's like, am I a Ralph's girl anymore? Not really, you know. So maybe like TJ. I don't know. You guys will see.
Oh, I think I'ma need a paramedic. I'm still gonna calm down. We were best friends, all we ever do is fight now. Guess we're getting old.
Trader Joe's haul. I tried getting these the other day, they didn't have any. It's like for soup, and then I got a fresh baguette for bread tonight, and then 2 things of penne for tonight as well. Hey guys, is my screen dirty? I've just been editing all day. It's now 5 o'clock. I literally just watched my Glock change from 4:59 to 5. Jake is doing something for his shoot right now, so he'll be home in a little bit, and then his friends will be here. We're gonna cook dinner. You guys saw I set the table. I'll show you the setup over here. We're gonna do toasted baguette, 2 things of penne. I had the sauce heating up before. I just took it off the heat for now. I have salted water here, the plates, got the strainer. I just changed my outfit because I didn't want to get sauce on my sweater or my gray skim shirt, so I just threw on this Brandy Mellow one. You guys have seen it in my haul. This is what I was talking about with sleeves. I love anything that does the thumb holes with the sleeves. It's not the most like flattering outfit right now, but it's cute, cozy. The new sweats, just my slides. I also have my little heart socks on, which are from Brandy. So we're in a full Brandy fit. We're gonna start getting dinner prepped. I'm almost done editing this vlog. I've been editing for hours today, but it's Sunday, so I can edit all day if I want, which I have been. So I love doing that because I honestly enjoy editing, and it's nice when I have a free day to just spend like the day editing opposed to having to wait till night to kind of get it all done. Oh, I have clothes outside too earlier. I need to go grab those because those were drying outside.
I'm vlog, still rapping in the bitch. Baddest ass in LA. And if you disagree, you're mad. Oh, also I'm at Jake Sugar's house. And his girlfriend, Kayla. We're outside and she's making us pasta.
Seriously.
Hit me with the peace sign. Lost my lucky penny, all it ever does is bang. If you wonder how I'm feeling, please don't ask me PDA. Cause you don't wanna know, just hold it. You don't gotta stare, just own it.
Woo! How was dinner?
So good. Awesome.
What do you rate it?
I'll give it like an 8 out of 10. It's really good.
So should we get ice cream tonight or something?
I'm alright, but if you want.
McDonald's?
Oh, I thought you were gonna say McConnell's. Not Lewithan Vuin or whatever.
Van Leeuwen. Jake!
What?
Not being nice.
Slay bitch.
What do you want? We have McConnell's in the freezer.
Okay, so what you have to do is, I keep the tea kettle in the center, but when I want it hot, I put it here and I turn the burner on. And then you get the empty glass, peppermint. Sometimes I'll have the well rested if it's later.
You put that first?
You just let it sit in here.
Okay.
And then once the water whistles, you pour it. Got it?
I feel like I'm like burning the tea. This thing's got a weird leak.
Does it?
Unless I'm supposed to pull that thing up.
You're supposed to undo it.
Alright.
Here, put it back down. I'll show you. You're supposed to flip this top open.
That's gonna be really hot. Told you.
It's okay.
It was cooler the other way.
Look at it.
It was
oh my
way
gosh.
cooler the other way.
Pretty cool, huh?
It looks way too hot. It looks unenjoyable.
Well, you gotta let it sit.
Looks unenjoyable. You also don't have the wide lens, so like I wasn't even looking. I just thought I was filming it, and I think I missed the whole shot.
Yeah, because I told Jerry the wide lens is a little too fisheye for me.
It's not at all fisheye.
Me and
actually.
Jerry both said it.
Okay, well this looks way too tight. Like half your body's cut out right now. It's not even usable.
Okay. Oh, this
Just my opinion.
Go put it on. Go grab it. It's in the case.
No, it's okay. I'm done.
Oh, you're done.
I mean, my job's over. Yeah, you got your tea. Look it. Have fun?
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
Tea! I just literally spent so long editing, which honestly is like a therapy for me. It relaxes me. It's like a passion project, so love that for me. I'm exporting this video now. I'm actually going to upload it today. I've literally uploaded, I think, 4 videos so far in January, and it's the 7th. So I'm very proud of that. It's almost 9, so I'm going to shower. Once this is done exporting, I'm going to upload it and post it. Finish this tea, shower, go to bed, and then tomorrow's Monday. So I'm ending off the Sunday vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If there's any specific videos you want to see from me, let me know below. Hope everyone else had an amazing weekend. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.
Actually,
Look goes, I don't think you're recording.
'Cause
I
you
wasn't.
weren't.
I know.
there goes half the shake.
It tastes like
It wasn't this one soft.
it tastes like strawberry jam.
It's like fucking shit. She's gonna make fun of it and then drink half. That's what she does every time. She shits on my shake and then drinks half of it.
Wait, so should we go check out that creepy van?
No! Fuck no!
Well, what if we need a
Dude,
neighborhood?
what are you right there? But it's like a Mercedes van.
We need
so
a
like-
neighborhood watch. Is Jake out there? What's he doing? Well, not our problem. I'm gonna put the dishes in one of the bags. Who else is gonna do it? Ooh, muscle. It's okay to go to the gym every day. Is that the goal?
5 days.
5 days a week, like Jerry.
But I did reach my calorie goal.
3K.
3K and 424 over.
Is it because you're tracking it, like with an app? Okay, good for you. That's a great goal.
Thanks, Michaela.
Your name isn't Michaela. Tell the vlog where your shake is.
It doesn't follow me. I thought it was supposed to follow me.
You gotta double tap if you want to put your face. Jeez.
Good shake. It's like a 6.
Strawberry milkshake from McDonald's. Do you like the whipped cream? I always like move the straw up so I can stuff the whipped cream out, which I feel like isn't a normal thing.
I feel like all whipped cream's the same, though.
All whipped cream is not the same. So when I'm on FaceTime, my earrings bang against my AirPods.
Oh, your dumbbells?
My dumbbells go against my AirPods, and my mom's like, "What is that noise?"
Oh, that must be the worst.
And then I was on the phone with someone else, and they're like, "Are you stapling something?" And I'm like, "It's my earrings."
Yeah, because you're never sitting still when you're on a call either. It's like you're running the Boston Marathon.
Basic belly. Sports!
Oh, you got wild blueberry muffins too?
Pretty fire. Listen, someone's gotta keep the freaking people happy here.
I still have to get Nick's Christmas present.
What'd you get?
An Amazon gift card.
Oh, I
and
heard it
didn't
got
go
lost. What'd you say?
through. It just, I don't know. It literally is the weirdest thing ever. Woody said it is sent and then didn't even take the money from my account. I thought I won. I was like, I just made $100.
That's hilarious.
Should I give him a towel
Hey.
gift card so then you reap the benefits?
Yeah, seriously.